refill a bottle or get a compostable bottle and choose what you put in your drink. So I'm gonna get a compostable bottle because I don't have the bottle with me. I can choose from a variety of different flavors: cucumber, lemonade, guava, or just plain water. I'm gonna get guava, and you can choose how many milligrams of caffeine you want. So I'm gonna get just a little bit of caffeine, and you can choose temperature. So ice cold or room temp. I'm gonna choose ice cold. And you can pay with Apple Pay, credit card, debit card. And so what this machine does is it takes municipal water, filters it to perfection, and it takes an empty compostable bottle out of storage, puts your drink inside of it, and then seals it and gives it to the consumer. So in just a few more moments, it's going to seal the bottle and come out of this rotating tamper-proof door. And this bottle is 100% compostable, doesn't need a shelf life, lasts only a few days.